babies, it's your girl Sash. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Also, go and watch some of my previous videos to get familiar with me. So today's video is sponsored by Slashop. They sent me quite a few things. They sent me a bamboo sheet set, a rug, and a sofa cover. So I'll be covering this sofa today. As I get older, I realize I'm getting super obsessed with home decor. I love a nice, clean, sleek place that's giving modern but classy, luxury, a little bit of everything. So I was really happy when Slashop reached out to me and wanted to do this collaboration. So if you don't know about Slashop, they're basically all about stylish and durable product for your home. Like literally everything you need to make your home comfortable, they got you. The washable sofa covers, the bed sheets, comforter or duvets, rugs, everything that would enhance the place and give it that luxury look you're looking for. So all their products are literally pet friendly, chemical free, and scratch resistant. Isn't that lovely? Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys the thing. But first we're going to start off with the sheet set. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the packaging. It looks so good. Package literally ate up everything. Like, I love how everything for them have on their logo and it's well put together, cute and to the point. So I selected the bamboo sheet in the color black and the size is queen. They have a variety of colors you can choose from. I chose black because it really matched my aesthetic, and of course, as I said, I'm all about upgrading my space and giving it more of a modern sleek look. So I was like, okay, black is a theme, so I'm gonna select black. So what I love the most about this sheet, it is silk to the touch. Like, it feels so good, the material feels so durable, and it doesn't feel like something that's gonna wash out after a few wash or, you know, like get lines or anything of that sort. So I love the quality of this sheet set, because sometimes Razor do come in the room and want to hang out, and when he's on the bed probably gets a little furry. So I no longer have to worry about that. I no longer have to say, no, Razor, don't come on the bed because you don't want furs. Razor can have fun right throughout the place without being bothered. This bed sheet is also resistant to scratch and tear, and it's chemical free and perfect for persons with sensitive skin. So Slashop should be your go-to place to shop for bedding stuff, especially if you have sensitive skin, because all of their stuff are chemical free. So now that I'm through with unboxing my bamboo sheet set, I'm now gonna unbox my sofa cover, and then we're gonna cover this sofa. So let's get started. That's right, by the way, all over the place. So this is what the packaging looks like. Their logo at the front, which I love. I love the fact that they brand everything. It's just really cute. At the back, there's like a warning that you should keep it away from small children, and you know, stuff that is necessary for you to read. I always tell people that when you see warning signs on products, or if you get a manual in your package, always read it before using the product. It's very important. I chose the vanilla cream sofa cover in the size 180 by 260. I was just basically freestyling and guessing because I'm not sure what's the size of this sofa, but I was like, okay, let me just get something and hope it works. But I think it should work. I use a box cutter to pull my stuff. So you know, if you buy packages like these and you're pulling them, you basically have to be careful, because you don't want to use a box cutter that will basically cut through the packaging and then cut the plastic and then cut the product. So I was very gentle. I'm already in love with this, and it's not out of the packaging until like, it's so good. And I love fluffy things, so I'm really digging into this color for like a living room vibe. You like it, Reza? You like it? Reza's like, this smells so good. You like it? He got groomed yesterday, so you know. Reza, it's not for Reza is in love with this sofa cover, and it's not even on as yet, but yeah, let's get it on. So this is the sofa cover, guys. As you guys can see, Reza is in love. So this sofa cover does come in variety of sizes and colors. I chose vanilla cream, as I told you guys. It's multifunctional. It can be used as a picnic blanket, or if you want to just revamp your living room like what I'm doing now, this would be perfect. Love it, love it, love it. It's so nice. The fur feels so good. It's so comfortable. Like, I would literally put this on my bed also as a blanket because it feels really, really good. I suggest it for a person with kids that have light color sofa. You can definitely get this for your sofa so you can maintain the same color scheme, but they just won't be getting the sofa dirty. They'll be getting this dirty, and you can just wash it because it's also washable. This is so cozy and comfortable and cute. I can see myself making content here because it's so pretty. Like, this is so nice. Like, I actually like it. So Slashop is actually having a sale currently, and if you use my discount code IamSash, you'll get 25% more. So if they're giving away 25% and you're using my code with my 25%, that's 50% off. Imagine getting this and getting it with 50% off. So don't walk, run. All information about them will be down in my description box. You can go there, click the link, scroll through their website to see if there's anything else you like, because remember, whatever your total is in the cart with their current sale, once you add my discount code to it, you will get a massive discount. Like, just imagine that. Like, you don't want to miss out on this, so you need to get it done like right now. Now I'm going to get into the rug, and if everything is so perfect this far, I can only imagine what the rug will be giving. This is the rug, packaging on point again. I chose sunset depth 152 by 213. As I said, I was just guessing with these sizes. I didn't measure anything, but when you're ready to make your purchase, you can feel free to get your tape measure, measure your sofa to know you're getting the correct size. Make sure if you have a space you want to put your rug in, you get the measurements so you can be accurate. I just guessed and I guessed it right. Now I'm going to pull out the rug and show you guys. It feels really good, and I can definitely see that this is pet friendly. You can choose different design if you want, but it adds a lot of elegance to your room. It's super durable, soft textured, easy to clean, lightweight, and non-slip. So when you're on this, you won't have like issues sliding. You can walk on it without feeling like you're slipping. And Raza is in love with it, as you guys can see. So yeah, nice. Yeah, but this is cute. Thank you Slashop for all this cute stuff. And remember guys, they're having a sale. The information will be down in my description box, and my discount code will be on the screen. So that's it for the Slashop unboxing and review. I love all the stuff, definitely 10 out of 10. Reza has been all over everything. I'm yet to see any of his fur on anything, so I love that. And the qualities are really durable, and everything is exactly what it's giving online. Nothing is different. The quality looks the same, the color is the same, nothing is off. So I really love that. Until next time, bye babies.